Have you ever wondered who invented money? The answer is actually stranger than you think. Because money was never invented by just one person. Early humans didn't have money. They relied on barter. One person gives wheat, another gives milk. But there was a huge problem. What if you need milk, but the other person doesn't want wheat? The system breaks. Humanity needed a better solution. And that's when valuable items came in. Gold and silver. Because they were rare, durable, and widely accepted. This became the first real form of money. Then governments stepped in and they said, this piece of paper has value. People believed it and paper money was born. But the system was built entirely on trust. And it worked until 2008. The world faced a massive financial crisis. Banks collapsed. People lost their money. And suddenly, people started asking, who really controls money? That's when a mysterious figure appeared. Satoshi Nakamoto. In 2008, published a paper titled Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System. The idea behind it was simple. You don't need to trust anyone. You don't need a bank. There are no intermediaries. Only code, mathematics, people in the network. But this idea didn't stay just a paper. What made this system possible? That's where blockchain comes in. Blockchain is essentially a ledger, but not just any ledger. Everyone can see it, but no one can change it. When a transaction happens, it is recorded on thousands of computers at the same time, which means fraud is nearly impossible. There is no single central authority. So, trust equals naught. This technology wasn't just a concept, it was tested in the real world. And that test was called Bitcoin. Bitcoin did not rise in a straight line. Instead, it was a complete roller coaster. 2010. Almost worthless. 2013. First big rise. 2017. Massive boom. 2018. Huge crash. Negative 80%. 2021. All-time high. After volatile but strong, people were divided. This is the future of money. This is a bubble. But the interesting part, after every crash, it came back stronger. But Bitcoin wasn't always this valuable. At the beginning, no one knew what it would become. And the best example of this was one of the most famous moments in Bitcoin history. Bitcoin Pizza Day. A man bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, those Bitcoins are worth millions of dollars. This proved value is created over time. Humanity started with barter, trusted gold, believed in governments. For the first time, we are questioning the system. Maybe for the first time, we will control money. Or the system will continue to control us. So what do you think? Is this a revolution? Or just a temporary illusion?